Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Isdone.dll and Unarc.dll error. So the Isdone and Unarc.dll error in Windows 10 or 11 is mostly related to the installation of a PC games as well as a programs of large size. Large games or programs have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. This eats up your PC RAM as well as hard drive. While installation, if your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So here you can try to increase Windows page file or virtual memory. You can hold Windows key and R key on your keyboard in order to open Run. And you can type sysdm.cpl, sysdm.cpl, click OK. Here you can click Advanced and click Performance Settings. Again, you can click Advanced and click Change. So here you can try to untick the box Automatically Manage Paging File Size for a whole hard drive and click on Custom Size. You can fill this blank. Based on your RAM of your laptop or your PC. For most games, 2.5 GB is enough, so the values which will work in most cases is 403,000. Note that the values are in megabytes, so this set the maximum paging file size to the tune of 3 GB. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.